Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use my Talking Ben Discord bot. The bot can join voice channels, and it'll play sounds in those
Ben,
voice channels. You can ask it questions.
Banana Man asked, yes or no?
no.
Banana Man asked, hello.
And then you can also make it leave the voice channel. So I don't have enough money to host this on a server, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create your own version of the bot and then use that version in your Discord server. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the first link in the description, which should take you to the GitHub page for the bot. Go over here to where it says releases and click on whichever version you see here. Then find the button that says source code zip and click on it, and it should download the file. Now open up the file in File Explorer, right click and press extract all, extract. And then you can delete the zipped folder. Open up the normal folder, and you can delete all of the files that I delete. Git attributes, git ignore, index, and readme. Next, you're going to want to go to the second link in the description, which will take you to the Discord developer portal. Now, yours will look different from mine because I've made a lot of bots, but what you're going to want to do is go to this button that says New Application at the top right. Click on it. You can name the bot whatever you want. I'm going to name it Ben Tutorial, and then click on the check mark here. Make sure that this says personal if you have this drop down, then click create. Do the I'm not a robot thing, and it should show you this screen. You can fill out these boxes if you want, you don't have to. I'm just going to set the name to Talking Ben. I'm going to set the description to coded by me, which you don't have to do, by the way, but if you want to, you can, and then you can add a profile picture right here, then go down here and click Save Changes. Next, you're going to want to go over here to Installation, click on it, and then turn off user install right here. Then go down to where it says applications.commands and click bot. The permissions you're going to want are connect, speak, read messages or read message history, and send messages. Then click save changes. Next, go back over here and click on bot. You can change the bot's username if you want, but I'm not going to. Go down here to where these intents sliders are and turn all of these on. The bot will not work if these are on, so make sure that they're all on. Click Save Changes, and then click a Reset Token. Press Yes, do it. Sometimes it'll ask you for two-factor authentication, but I just did this, so it doesn't ask me. Click the Copy button to copy the full token, and make sure that you copy it because it won't show you this again. Once you've copied your token, go back into the folder with your bot files in it, right-click on the config file, and press Edit in Notepad. It'll open up this window. Highlight this entire text that says Paste Token here, and paste in your bot token, then press Ctrl S to save. After you've pasted in your bot token, go back to the Discord developer portal, go to the Installation tab, and copy the Discord provided link under Install Links. So go over here, click Copy, and then in a new tab, paste in that link, and it should open up your Discord app, and it'll say your bot wants to access your account. So click the server that you want to add the bot to. I'm going to add to this test server that I've made, and click continue. It'll ask for these permissions, press authorize, and then it should say that the bot joined the server. Once the bot is in your server, it'll show as offline, and to get it to come online, go back into the Ben bot folder and click the run file. You're going to double click it to run it, press more info, and click run anyway. It's going to download some things the first time you run it, but since I already have them downloaded, it works automatically, and it should say logged in and then your bot username. So go back to Discord, and it should show the bot is online now. And I'm going to end the version of the other version of the bot, so that I can show you that the Ben tutorial bot is working. So if you do b.ping, it should give you this to show you how fast it's connecting to your computer. And then I can join back into the voice channel, do b.join chat.
Ben,
And there we go, you now have your own working version of the Ben bot. This bot has a bunch of settings you can change, so if you type b.settings, it'll show you this window, and you can select which setting you want to change. This setting controls the text-to-speech before it talks, so if you turn this off, it won't do text-to-speech. You can click on something to turn it on or off, like that. This one controls the bot's Easter egg. If you look through the code, you'll find out what that is. It's very annoying, but you can turn it off if you want to. This restricts the bot joining voice channels, so if you turn this on, only somebody with the managed server permission in your server can make the bot join a voice chat. And then this makes it so that only somebody with the managed server permission can ask questions. And then you can also click this to remove the menu. I have Vencord, so it still shows, but if I clear it, it'll go away. The main problem with running the bot locally like this is that if you close the command prompt window, the bot will stop working. And eventually it'll go offline. It takes a bit, but it will go offline. So if you do accidentally close the command prompt, you can reopen it by just going to the run file and running it again. And as you can see, the bot is back online. This also means that if your computer is off, the bot will go offline. There are some ways to keep the bot online while your computer is off, but most of them cost money and the free ones are not very good. If you guys want me to make a tutorial on one of the ways to keep it online, let me know in the comments and I might do one eventually. That's going to be about it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy the bot. Let's see if the bot enjoys this tutorial. Did you like the tutorial?
Banana Man asked, "Did you like the tutorial?"
Well, that's nice. Anyway, if you need any help, I'll have my Discord server linked in the comments. You can join that Discord server and just ask in the general chat, and I'll help you out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the bot. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.